Namaste. Welcome everyone to my channel Yoga with Sakshi. Today is day 14 of Power Yoga series. In today's video, we are going to do a lot of core. So let's get started. We're going to start gentle with your toes and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Going with the entire ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotate other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Arms up and exhale forward. Stretch a little bit. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, breathe, 2 and 1. Inhale up, exhale down. Now bend your one knee, take your arms up again, exhale down. Inhale, look up. You're gonna hold the leg with the opposite arm from the outside. Inhale, bring your leg up. Chin to the shin bone. Hold. Inhale, hold the leg. Get the other leg also up and stay. 8, 7, 6, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Down. Bring your other leg in. Arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up with the opposite arm. Hold the leg from the outside. Leg up. Hold. Inhale, center, extend the other leg, find your balance, stay. And down. Take your leg back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Look forward, jump. Exhale down and roll up. Open your legs. Inhale up. Back straight. Exhale down. Inhale up. 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 Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down and hold. 8, 7, chest down. 6, 5, 4, 3. Make sure your knees are not together. 2 and 1. Take your arms front. Flat back. 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Come to the side of your mat. Open your leg. Now arms together. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale to the side. Inhale up. Exhale, come on, center again. Inhale up. Exhale to the side. Inhale up. Down. Inhale up. To the side. Inhale up. exhale down, inhale up, down, inhale up, 3 more like this, down, inhale up, exhale to the side, inhale up, down, inhale up, exhale to the side, up, 2 more, down, up, change, up, down, up, change, up, last one, down, up, change, up, down, up, change, up. Now last one we're going to hold, 8, 7, breathe, 6, back straight, knee back, 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale up, exhale down, hold, 8, arms up now, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale up, exhale side, 1, 2, breathe, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, inhale up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe, 5, 6, 7, 8, to the side, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. We're not going to take a break. You can inhale, bring your legs forward, exhale, hip down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale, open your chest, exhale back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, exhale, inhale, come front, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale, chest open, exhale back, inhale up, exhale down, breathe, forward, down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale, chest open, exhale back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. 2 more, forward, down, up, down, back straight, back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, last one, down, down, hip down, up, down, chest open, arms down, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Adho Mukha Virasana, resting. Inhale, up, again downward dog. Breathe, 5, 4, 3, 2, come to plank, 8, 7, 6, 5, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2, and 1, down, up, and back, come to plank and just walk, forward, and back, 2, back, knee to the chest, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back, 6, back, 7, back, 8, back, 9, back, 10, back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, hold, 3, 2, and 1, forward again, now we're going to go side, 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back, 6, back, 7, back, 8, back, 9, back, 10, down. Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Turn around. Giving arms a little rest. Legs up 90, arms back. Inhale. Exhale up. 1. Inhale back. 2. Inhale back. Exhale up. 3. 4. Back. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10 and knee in. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Adho ko Virasana rest. Inhale, up, come to standing and feet together. Take your right leg up, hold, 8, 7, 8. Keep breathing, find your focus. Now out, hold. Center and down. Arms down, change. Up. Open. Hold. Keep breathing. And down. Open your legs. Let's rotate the arms a little bit. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open your arms, Trikonasana. Right foot towards the right side, left foot front. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now variation. Arms together and down. Keep breathing. Inhale up. Parallel your feet. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now left foot towards the left side. Right foot front. Arms out. Exhale down. Inhale up. Palms together in Namaskara and go down. Inhale up. Parallel your feet. Exhale down again. hold. Inhale up, take your leg back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Jump front and come to your hips down. Navasana, arms back. Now Parivrtta Navasana, go with the twisting. 1, up, 2. Now if you are thinking that it's difficult, you can keep the legs in and then try and twist. I like to keep my legs up. 1, out, 2, 3, out, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Lie down, keep your legs there. Take your arms back and just going with the single legs tapping. 1. Bring it back to table rock. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Knee in and hold. Come up, take your legs back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Lie down on your stomach. Feet together. Shalabhasana variation. Take your arms back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Come up with your arms, legs and body. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and stay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 down. Up, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Lie down on your stomach, Makarasana. Take your toes out and breathe. This is one variation of Makarasana. And this is relaxing. And down. Now we're going to go for Dhanurasana. Bend your knees. Take your arms back. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Inhale up. Hold. And down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Relaxing Shashangasana. Breathe. Inhale up. Stretch your legs in the front. Bend your one knee in. Arms up. Exhale, go forward. You can either keep your arms down or hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now take your arms back. Other arm hold. So the arm that grabs is the one that holds, not the other way around. And forward. Inhale up. Arms up. Exhale down. Now other leg in. Take your arms up and down. Inhale up. Grab hold of the leg. Other arm. Exhale down. Inhale up. Take your legs back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Now stay there. Get your feet down. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, hip up, 2, and 1 little twisting. Now touch the opposite heel. 1, back, twist, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back, 6, back, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to plank again. Now we're going to take the legs outside. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back, 6, 7, 8, feel it in the core, 9, 10. Down, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Adho Mukha Virasana. Rest. Breathe. Inhale. Up. Lie down on your back. Legs up. Arms back. Inhale. Exhale, right leg down. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. You can get your head up for deeper swimming. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. 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 Last 4. Down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Last 2. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Legs down and point. Flex. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Lie down on your back again. Pelvis down, arms side. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and stay there. Interlock your elbows at the back. Breathe. Exhale down. Rock and roll forward and back. And take your leg back. Halasana. From here, support your back. Sarvangasana. Bend your knees down, legs up. Open your legs, Bala Kritasana. Breathe. Come forward, butterfly. Exhale down. Inhale up. Stretch the legs front again. Arms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's finish it with some gentle twisting. Exhale, back straight and twist. Inhale, center. Twist back around. Inhale, center. Take your arms back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Release your arms, release your legs. Relax in Shavasana. Down. Try and relax completely on the mat. Inhale deeply and exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale. Watch the rhythm of your breath in the body. Let it come to natural. Now listen to your heartbeat. Let your heartbeat also come to normal. Now, slowly relax all the muscles, mindfully and consciously. I am relaxed, completely relaxed. Mind, body and breath completely synced together. Relax, relaxed. and relaxed. Bring your awareness back to center. Gently move your toes and your fingers, feet together. Right arm above your head, left arm onto the belly. Bend your left knee, turn towards the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, come to sitting. Bring your awareness back and gently rub your palms. Once you feel the warmth, cup thighs. Massage your whole face. Release your arms in front of your chest. With gentle smile. Few blinks, open your eyes looking at the palms. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this session. Have a good day ahead and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.